Hello friends, is your check engine light on and your car struggling with emissions or performance issues? If you've scanned your car and found P0439, this means there's an issue with the catalyst warm-up control circuit on bank 2. A faulty system can lead to poor fuel efficiency, sluggish performance, and higher emissions. In this video, I'll explain what P0439 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0439? The P0439 error code stands for Catalyst Warm-Up Control Circuit Intermittent, Bank 2. This means that the warm-up system for the catalytic converter on Bank 2 is not functioning consistently. This system is responsible for heating the catalytic converter quickly after a cold start to reduce emissions. If left unchecked, it can cause increased emissions, poor fuel economy, and potential damage to your catalytic converter. Common symptoms of P0439 include the check engine light being on, sluggish acceleration or reduced engine performance, increased fuel consumption, a stronger exhaust smell, especially after cold starts, and failing an emissions test. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the catalyst warm-up components and related sensors. The P0439 code affects the warm-up circuit and catalytic converter on bank 2, which is the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. The catalyst warm-up control circuit for bank 2 is integrated into the exhaust system near the catalytic converter. The bank 2 catalytic converter itself is located in the exhaust system, connected to the exhaust manifold. Next, we have the upstream O2 sensor, which is found before the catalytic converter on bank 2, monitoring exhaust gases. The downstream O2 sensor is located after the catalytic converter on bank 2, checking emission efficiency. The engine control unit, or ECU, controls the warm-up function and monitors sensor signals. Lastly, the wiring and relays are located along the exhaust system and connected to the ECU. Tip: check your vehicle's service manual for the exact component locations based on your car's make and model. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0439 error code. First, we have a faulty catalyst warm-up circuit. Basically, the heating system in the catalytic converter might be malfunctioning. Next, intermittent electrical issues can be a culprit. Loose wiring, corroded connectors, or bad relays can lead to inconsistent performance. Another possible cause is an oxygen sensor malfunction. Incorrect readings from either upstream or downstream sensors may trigger the P0439 code. A failed catalytic converter is also a common issue. If the catalyst material inside is damaged, it may not heat up properly. In rare cases, ECU software issues might be the problem. The ECU may need reprogramming or an update. Lastly, exhaust leaks or blockages can cause trouble. If exhaust gases are escaping before reaching the catalytic converter, it can lead to improper warm-up. So, there you have it, some common causes of the P0439 error code. How to fix P0439. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm P0439 and check for related codes. Step 2. Locate the bank 2 catalyst warm-up circuit and wiring, then check for any damage or loose connections. Step 3. Test the catalyst warm-up system using a multimeter to check for voltage fluctuations. Step 4. Inspect the oxygen sensors, both upstream and downstream, to ensure they are functioning correctly. Step 5. Check for exhaust leaks or restrictions that could be affecting exhaust flow and heating efficiency. Step 6. If everything else checks out, reprogram the ECU or replace the catalytic converter if necessary. And finally, Step 7. Reset the code and take a test drive to see if it returns. The P0439 code is often caused by a faulty warm-up circuit, electrical issues, or a failing catalytic converter. Fixing it early can prevent serious emissions problems and poor engine performance. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0160, O2 sensor circuit no activity detected, bank 2 sensor 2, and P0161, O2, sensor heater circuit malfunction, bank 2 sensor 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.